Hey guys, this is Lena, the owner of the channel Pipe Cleaner Crafts Bee. I've decided that I will try to vlog, and actually, I would love you to join me in a sort of a challenge. I have to try to make myself be more productive and to procrastinate less, and I decided that we can do it together. I will vlog the process of my work every day because YouTube is my full-time job right now. And you will join, hopefully, and we'll do it together. We'll grow together, we'll film together, and hopefully we'll be much more productive at the end of this process. Now, what are you looking at? As I said in a previous video, YouTube started consistently marking all my Barbie skits, pranks as kids. And actually, I've seen on other channels, even such as 5 Minute Crafts, that their viral shorts, which involved some toys, they are getting marked as kids, which is very unfortunate because the majority of the videos of my channel are marked as not made for kids. I believe that this mixture of kids and non-kids is not exactly healthy for a channel and there should be some consistency. However, in order to prevent YouTube from correcting my setting once again, I uploaded this uh, uh, it's not a prank, it's a Barbie at the beach shorts, and I immediately marked it as kids. Now, I think I uploaded it already, but it didn't get views. I don't remember. Not the point. The point is that uh, in the first 2 days, as you can see, it didn't get views at all. I mean, 32,000. But just like 5 minutes ago, I've noticed that the views are going up, which is, I believe, good news for us. I don't know how viral this prank, not prank, this specific shorts will go, and this goes for other shorts which are marked as kids on my channel because I'm seeing that my DIY shorts are not getting much traction, mostly because, in my opinion, the majority of DIY videos, shorts, perform well because of the background music. Now, I only use copyrighted music, which is great, and it's usually the YouTube library. As a result, my DIY shorts don't have such great background music, and I believe that's why they are not getting much traction. And I believe the same is true for other creators. Anyway, this is the reason I started making skits. Because skits is a different story, and skits do get traction. Anyway, you see, it's not the retention is not nothing extraordinary. It's 14-minute long shorts, and the retention is 919. It's nothing viral about that, but I'm just happy to see. Here you have the opportunity to see how I work on my videos. By the way, I'm thinking that we should really film a video together. I'll show you my settings. I mean, nothing special, but I would love to share it with you. An important tip: D. Nieman recently uploaded a shorts, and he says that it is okay to upload the same shorts more than once. He says that suppose your shorts didn't perform well, you can delete it. Uh, I don't agree to delete it. I'm saying make it private and then just either re-upload it or maybe edit it slightly and upload again. And this is exactly what I have done now with my shorts. Because YouTube has marked at least 4 viral shorts as kids, they stopped performing immediately. So I took them all I re-upload them again, and I mark them as kids. And now I'm hoping to get views again on shorts that technically could have continued performing, but stopped because of this made for kids problem. Here is another interesting example, just recent. You are looking at an old video, I think it's at least 2 years old. It has 4 million views, but you can see that over the course of the past year, it has not been performing well at all. And as you can see, just recently, just actually in the past 2 days, it started getting a little bit of browsing impressions once again. Why? Because I have replaced the thumbnail. I've changed the thumbnail. This video is it's not the longest, and the retention you will see now it's about 2 minutes. Also, nothing spectacular. In order to go viral, I think on this type and scale of videos, you need 4 minutes average view durations, twice as much. However, I decided that I will go once in a while over my old thumbnails, and I'm not a graphic artist, and as a result, many of my thumbnails are just not the best. And I was able to see that I mean, the CTR was always low, and I thought, why not to improve it? So I can show you the thumbnail because actually we're not supposed to share CTR. This is everyone who signs this partnership with YouTube. I think it goes against the rules, so I can't always show the thumbnail, but you can go see on my channel. Anyway, I was able clearly, the arrow shows that I was able to improve the CTR. I have no way of knowing how many else views will this video get. Because 2000 views, it's not a big deal, obviously. And what I can see that the retention, as I said, the recently it's been only about 2 minutes, which isn't so great. I can't expect getting millions of views on this video, but you know what? I'll keep you informed. If this video will get more views, we'll talk about it again. And I'm really curious to see. Unfortunately, all these experiments they require weeks and months. But all I know, and I didn't believe it in the beginning when Daryl East once said that they changed on some channel, they changed all the thumbnails and they immediately were able to get more views. And it turned out to be true for my channel. However, keep in mind that our competitors keep creating, better and longer videos with better retention. So whatever worked a year ago may not necessarily be evergreen, and our old videos they stop performing sometimes. In the majority of cases. And here is me again working on another shorts. I love the water topic, and that's why all my shorts are somehow connected to water pranks. Anyway, I would love to hear your questions. I hope people are joining. And I know that if we continue uploading consistently, people will come. It's a fact. So I hope to see you soon, guys. Bye bye.